Hi, in this video, you're going to learn how to create your own ebook cover. Firstly, why would you need an ebook cover? Well, an ebook cover will give the reader more of a visual sense as to what your book is about. And as they say, a picture is worth 1,000 words. And although an ebook is digital, at least with a book cover, you're giving readers that lifelike feeling that what they're getting is something real. So to create your ebook cover, there are two main ways. The first is to use Photoshop. And if you're technical and you're savvy and you know how to use Photoshop, then this is the path you want to take. Otherwise, I wouldn't touch Photoshop. I would simply outsource it. You can get it from places like fiverr.com. You can outsource it through upwork.com and many other marketplaces. So first of all, if you're going to design your own e-covers in Photoshop, the first tool that you're going to need is called an action script. An action script basically runs some macros in Photoshop, so then it'll turn your flat cover into a 3D looking e-cover. And I'll show you which tool to use and how to go about using it. What you're looking in front of you is a program or Photoshop action script set called Cover Action Pro. Inside, you're going to get 150 different product models to choose from. Go to the website, take a look at what you're going to get. If I scroll down, you can see what it is about. You can create covers that look like this. You've got the DVD cover, you've got the ebook cover, and all these other formats. You've got the paperback books, binders, notebooks, screenshot panels, software boxes, brochures, and so many more. It does come with a cost, but your investment is worth it if you're going to design your own covers in the long run. What I have open is Photoshop, and what you can see now just on the right side is called Actions. And now I'm going to run one of the scripts that came with the Cover Action Pro package. So step one, you click on that, and I'm just going to click that play button. That'll run some macros or some actions to create this flat cover. This is where you start off and then start putting your titles. So I'm going to use that text tool, put a title name. So let's say Golf for Beginners. Let's do that again. And let's resize that to fit this canvas. Let's give it 120, 180. So that fits right there. And I can delete anything else I don't want. Now I'm not going to design the whole cover in this video presentation, but just to give you an idea as to how to go about using these action scripts, this is how you do it. You've got the spine of the ebook as well, and you can change the color. So I'm going to now choose that bucket tool, change the background to, let's say, this blue color. There we go. You know, I could put images as well here. And once you're happy with the cover, we click down on step 2 for this cover. Click play. That'll then run some actions and convert that into a 3D book cover. So it's still running. This is not the end result. We'll just wait and see. There we go. This is the now 3D cover that we can save and use on our website. That's how you use Photoshop to create your own ebook covers. Now let's move on to the next method, which is outsourcing. Outsourcing is ideal if you simply don't want to manage all that and handle the headache of trying to design and lay out your ebook. First place is to go to fiverr.com. Fiverr is a great place to get anything done for $5. If you go into graphics and design, you can look at book covers and packaging. That's the particular section you want to go to. And you'll find some designers, some products that are on there for offer. Since I'm from Australia, you can see now the price is converted automatically, but usually it's $5. And you can see some of their descriptions. I will design a professional create space or ebook. Let's click that. You'll see more details. This is more of a premium service, so it seems like this will obviously more than the $5 that is typical of Fiverr. If that's not within your budget, then I would skip and look for someone who is willing to do it. So you can see here, I will design an excellent book cover. This is $5. You can tell by the amount of reviews they've had, 22 5 stars out of 5, and there are 4 orders in queue. So you can see how busy they are and how likely or when you'll get your ebook cover delivered to you. So let's say I'm interested in this. I can just click on extra fast delivery if I want this book cover to be done in 1 day. So obviously that will tally up and increase the total of this project. You can do other things like include back and side designs, include the source file. What they mean by source file is the Photoshop PSD file. So in the future, if you want to get it edited by someone else, or if you want to create the cover or turn the cover into a different type of cover, such as, let's say, a DVD cover type or a CD type of cover or a box type of cover, then you'd want to make sure you get the source file. Otherwise, it's not included by standard based on this person's project specifications or this person's proposal. Okay, that's one thing to consider. Is it for commercial use? So perhaps this is related to the images that they use, the stock images that they use. So if it's for commercial use, then you'd want to use this. So make your order there, and then usually the seller will ask a couple of questions to start the project, and you'll go from there. For $5, you can't really go wrong, and that'll save you a lot of time and hassle trying to design your own ebooks. But choose a path that most suits you. If you like designing, then perhaps the Photoshop route is for you.